This is a training video on how to import and interface a subcontract into Vista so you can pay sub-invoices in Subcontract Ledger. In another video, we'll show you how to pay a subcontract through the Subcontract Ledger and Subcontract Worksheet. First slide, what we need to do is we need to locate Vista on your computer and log in. Once you're logged in, you go down to Project Management folder, Programs, and find the PM Subcontract Detail. Double click on that. Here's the subcontract detail. This pulls in the data from the heavy bid import. Oftentimes, it is not complete. In this instance, it pulled in the surveyor, but not the electrical sub. I'm going to show you how to set up the electrical sub. Down below, you'll see sequence, phase, cost type, vendor. Sequence is just an automatic generated number every time you add a phase. You'll want to start in the phase and press F4. Once you press F4, the phase lookup appears. Here you can select the phase that correlates to the specific sub-item you are entering. Once the phase is selected, it automatically fills the cost type 8, units, and quantity fields. Those fields can be edited if they aren't right. You also need to input the unit price and dollar amount. Next, the vendor needs to be selected. Go to the vendor cell and press F4 to search and select the vendor that needs to be set up. Once the vendor has been selected, tab to the next cell and enter in the subcontract number, which is the job number dash the number of the subcontract. For example, this one is 11389-001, with the next subcontract being 11389-002. When the subcontract has been entered in, this is an example of what your screen should look like when it is ready to be initialized. When all the information is entered in, you'll need to hit the initialize button to move on to the next step. Here, once you've had it all entered in, you've initialized your subcontract, go up to File and select PMSL header form. After hitting PMSL header form, the next screen that'll come up is PM Subcontracts. In PM Subcontracts, you can rename the description of the subcontract for the actual work being done. Here you can see we changed it from electrical subcontractor to JUC trench. Next slide, you click in the document type and hit F4, or you can type in capital SUB for sub. Then you have to select that subcontract as a description and document type. Next, the subcontract needs to be approved. Click the approved box below. Next, you'll want to send out your subcontract or prepare your subcontract so you can send it out. So you go up to the envelope tab, hit the drop down menu, and if you click on create document from template, this will bring up the option to be able to create your subcontract. When you've selected the create document from template, make sure you click on and select the SRC itemized subcontract. Once that's selected, make sure that you have selected Open Create Document in Word and then hit the Create button. And this will create your subcontract that you can send out to your subs. Here's a sample of the subcontract that has been created for Tri-State Electric. Here it shows who the owner of the project is, where the project's located, along with the bid item, phase code, and description, along with the dollar amounts. From here, you'll want to save this sheet to your file or print to PDF and save it. or print it out and get it prepared so that it can be sent out to the subcontract. The next step that you'll need to do is you'll need to interface the subcontract. And so you'll have to go back into project management programs and select interface. Here on interface, type in the project number and it'll pull up all items that are ready to be interfaced on the subcontract. Next, you want to make sure you select the correct month that you want to interface it. So if you're trying to pay a bill for them in July and it's already August and you're creating this and you're a little bit behind, just make sure you select the correct month. Otherwise, you won't be able to pay them for the month of July. You'll have to wait till August. And then once you're ready, validate it, preview all the information, and then hit interface to interface. Once the interface process has been complete, this pop-up will come up and let you know.